everyone, Grandma here.
And Grandpa.
Today Grandpa and I are going to be eating Great Depression era foods all day. Let's see what it cost us in 2023.
For breakfast we are having farina with butter and cinnamon. If you want to know how to make this, there is a link to the video below. We are having coffee with our breakfast. For 2 people, the farina costs 44 cents. The butter costs 12 cents. The cinnamon costs 2 cents. The coffee costs 42 cents. The total for breakfast is $1.
For lunch, we are having an eggplant sandwich. My father loved eggplant parmesan, and the next day he always looked forward to a cold eggplant sandwich for lunch. We are having corn on the cob and unsweetened tea with our sandwiches. For 2 people, the eggplant cost 88 cents. The bread cost 32 cents. The tomato sauce cost 25 cents. The seasoning cost 10 cents. The mozzarella cheese cost 25 cents. The corn on the cob cost 66 cents. The tea cost 6 cents. The total cost for lunch is $2.52.
For afternoon snack today, we are having some popcorn. For 2 people, the popcorn costs 30 cents.
For dinner, we are having freshly caught fish. To prepare the fish, I melted 2 tablespoons of butter over medium-high heat. When the butter is melted, I added the fish. I lightly sprinkled pepper and garlic powder on the fish. After 2 minutes, check the underside of the fish for browned color. After the fish is browned on the bottom, I flip the fish over and lightly sprinkled with pepper and garlic powder. Pan fry on medium heat till the fish are browned on both sides. Remove from the pan and top with fresh squeezed lemon. For the sides, we are having a baked potato and zucchini from our garden, which I sliced in rounds and pan fried with some olive oil and butter. We are having a spinach salad with red onions, tomatoes, and a dressing of olive oil and vinegar. We are drinking seltzer with our dinner. For 2 people, the fish was free since it was given to us by a friend. The zucchini and tomato was free since we grew them in our garden. The red onion cost 36 cents. The spinach cost 86 cents. The potato cost $2.77. The lemon cost 66 cents. The olive oil cost 9 cents. The butter cost 48 cents. The vinegar cost 9 cents. The pepper cost 3 cents. The seltzer cost 50 cents. The total for dinner was $5.84.
For dessert today, we are having blueberries with whipped cream. For 2 people, the blueberries cost $1.25. The whipped cream cost 50 cents. The total for dessert was $1.75.
So when you add up all the meals for the day, the grand total was $11.41. The cost per person was $5.70. If we adjust that for inflation, in 1930, this would have cost 32 cents per person to eat for a full day. And that is how much it cost us to eat Great Depression era food all day in 2023. As you can see, these meals are still economical and help to keep food costs low. We hope this video was helpful for when you're planning your meals.